Hey everyone and welcome back. Fathom captures action items automatically after every meeting, but turning them into real tasks is where most people drop the ball. Let me show you two ways to fix that. First, the simple manual way. Open your Fathom recap after any meeting. The AI already extracted action items with who said what and suggested next steps. Copy those directly into your task manager like Todoist Asana or ClickUp Paste and assign due dates. This takes 30 seconds per meeting. Second, the automated way. Use Zapier. Fathom has a dedicated trigger called new action item that fires whenever the AI detects a next step connected to your task manager, Asana, Trello, or ClickUp, and every follow-up creates itself automatically. For free plan users, you get premium action items for 5 calls per month, enough for your most important meetings. Paid plans unlock unlimited sync to CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce. If you use CRM sync, action items can automatically become tasks inside deal records, with owners assigned. The summary attaches right to the contact timeline. And that is it. Manual copy paste for quick work, Zapier or automation for serious volume. If you turn notes into tasks, let me know which method you used in the comments. See you in the next one.